Not a great day for allotment today. Been raining all day. Still raining now. Thought it might have eased off a bit by now, but it hasn't. Still, there's a couple of things I want to do if I can. Even in the rain, I can dig up a couple of plants. This is where I was working on my last visit, and I want to go around to the other side. But there's a rose in here that I want to dig out. There's quite a lot of stuff that needs digging out here too. It's actually quite a lot further away from those apple trees than I thought it was, but still I'm going to dig it out. Been here for a couple of years and I don't want it to get any bigger and any harder to get out. Well, it seems like there's more than one rose in there. Could be another two at least, by the looks of things. Alright, well that's the second one. It's quite successfully layered itself. Must have been more than 2 years I've been leaving them there. So that's 1, 2, 3 roses all together. Alright, cut them back a bit and then take them away. I'm going to dig this tree out. It's going to be quite a nice tree, I hope. This is that's where I once had a tree. I grew a cherry tree from a pip, and of course it didn't have decent cherries on it. But I thought when I cut it down, it got very big, I might be able to graft onto it, but no such luck. Two trees there, one's quite big and one's pretty small. I'll take the big one with me. Trying to remember that. The small one, I'm not quite sure about that yet. Well, it's the last day of the year, and what a weird year it's been. It was very wet at the beginning of the year and very dry in the middle of the year, very hot, and then extremely cold for 2 weeks at the end of the year. So it's all over the place. Interesting. Anyway, it's the end of 2022. I look forward now to 2023. Probably be just as weird.